hardest time admitting they're wrong? Okay, next one. Who has the hardest time admitting they're wrong?
Again? Kita? Ay, bawal pa ulit-ulit!
Pwede. Pwede.
Ay, yung bike!
Oh.
Ikalagay mo din.
Okay. Who is most likely to forget where they park the car?
Ikaw. Ikaw. Ikaw lang. Ikaw lang. Walang time out. Walang time out. Okay. Idura mo muna. Idura mo muna.
Can't do that then.
Card, next question!
Ready? Who's most likely to get jealous?
Ayan, kaya ko!
Nagiging na.
Ay, ikaw yung brightness na. It's so Amundan na kami sa langit.
Yan.
Si nanay.
Next! Next!
Oh, wait. Not 11. Who says I love you first in the morning or at the night?
Ha?
Who's
Wait. 11. Who says I love you first in the morning or at the night?
Uy! Madaya! 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 Oo.
grabe? Huwag mong i-reveal! Hindi na ako makahinga!
Oh. Next question.
Who is most likely to take just a bite and eat half your food?
Yung kadiri! Yung ngipin mo! Kadiri! Hindi ko naintindihan yung question. Gano'n lang kita eh.
Yung konti lang yung kinakain.
Oh, yun pala.
Ah.
Who's more addicted to their phone?
Ikaw yun!
Ikaw din, oy! Ikaw din, oy! Ikaw din!
Sabi tayo, 1, 2, 3. Para magkakaswa tayo dito. Dami mo nilagay!
Ikaw ay gusto niyan.
Background na normal lang. Ano? Yung background na yung...
Well, okay lang. Ano? Ito talaga.
Okay. Who tells the latest joke?
Oy! Remove your hands! Di ba gusto mo yan?
Parang pinagsisihan ka na. Kala ko ang sa'yo, hindi pa na...
Who always chooses the movie or series? The Ghost Powders. Ghostbusters Ghost Powders.
Ha?
Ghostbusters Ghost Powders.
No, that's not a question.
Okay. Who falls in love first?
Ikaw yun!
Ikaw yun!
Ano ba na mukha mo? Ay, wag mo nang piliin kasi hindi ka makakahinga. Tama na ang dami akin.
Vigo 32. Ready? Who is the bigger drama queen, drama king?
Ikaw lang!
Bakit ako?
Arty.
Arte-arte ka eh.
See? Arty. Okay na? Okay lang?
Two more. Last two.
likely to be sweet in a relationship.
Putik naman, Destiny! May galit ka ata sa akin!
Oh.
Ayusin mo yung last tanong mo.
Who's mostly likely to spend more money?
Ikaw yun! Ikaw yun!
Ding, ding.
Done! Okay guys, thank you for
See the faces first!
Okay guys, sorry about that, but I'm gonna say
Okay.
thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Wait lang. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy.
Bye! Wait,
Ano? Gusto mo ba?
Ikaw naman, refill ka ng refill. Basta. Because